Lectures of August 25. We have not missed a single day. I'm sure you can hear the party going on behind me. It's currently a Saturday and the grind doesn't stop. So, great topic for today: discipline versus motivation in trading. They're not the same thing. I'm going to keep the party noise in the background just to really prove the grind does not stop on a Saturday where most people are partying. I'm working towards my goals. Partying does not align with my future self, hence why the grind will be picked every time. So, a common misconception about trading and about seeing progress is that you're going to see it instantly, and that is the exact opposite. Now, we look at charts all day long. We understand when we come to a higher level that it is all down to the higher time frame. Everything is down to the higher time frame, not looking at things too short term, always looking for the longer term goal. That the same goes with motivation and discipline. Motivation comes and it goes, kind of just like entries with fair value gaps. Just if you look at any fair value gap as an entry, it comes and it goes, but it's not consistent. Discipline is having consistency within your trading, but not also that, just about showing up and being disciplined. Now, if I'd have made videos when I felt like it, this would how it would look like, and you would not get a video every single day of this month. However, I am disciplined. Every single day this month has been consistently uploaded at the same time every single day. That's discipline. Motivation only gets you as far as it runs out. Discipline takes you through journeys. I just want to refer to this image. Your journey in days may look something like this. In months, it's starting to steady itself out. In years, it's a strong up curve. And in decades, it's an insanely strong up curve. So, in order to get to this, and this is through discipline. Now, there isn't really too much to speak on this type of video. However, I do hope that even just this short video has opened your eyes, if it hadn't already been clear, and if you already knew that they were not the same and you needed a boost, a bit of quote-unquote motivation to say to push you to take the right action, then I hope that this video finds you. And this is coming from someone who understands the differences. If you look at my YouTube channel prior to last month and this month, videos are kind of all over the place. There was videos consistently, then I stopped, then I consistent, then I stopped, then I... However, since last month and this month, so a full almost 2 months of consistency, you will see videos every day, more or less, because I started at the start of last month, kind of in the middle, and then from that there's been videos every day. I will just pull it up just to show you. Here we go. Videos. So kind of consistency has been there throughout. However, there was a little bit of a break, 5 months. I believe there may have been like a couple of weeks break, maybe a 3-week break. It would not show on here unless you specifically went on, but we'll find it. Yeah, so here we go. 4 months, then 1 month. this is the first video back after 1 month. Consistency, then motivation, then kind of motivation-ish. Then July started, and ever since there's been a video every single day. So there's 4 in a line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times 4 has been 32 videos consistently in a row. So I do understand this. I know it's been a month and a bit, but this has been it throughout my whole trading journey. You can see that I started posting, well, December the 31st, 2023. It's now the 9th of August, 2025. So I've stuck through all of this throughout. Consistency. Even though there may be breaks, there's consistency and there's discipline. It takes a lot to make these videos, especially for newer guys that have just started. It's hard to speak in front of a camera and to present a topic, but through discipline you get to this progress curve. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. Hopefully it was a wake-up call if needed, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.